Whenever there is section line,
the Basic Technology and Technical Teachers Association Baton, Education District 1, has appealed to the government to invest more in technology. They made the appeal at the forum organized for basic technology teachers, technical teachers, auto mechanic teachers, and other trade subject teachers. The chairman, Baton Education District 1, Mr. Oludari Akinyode, applauded the state government for the investment in education, but asked for more intervention in the area of technology.
What we need is to give awareness to our students who are deeply of the thoughts that they just want to be doctors and things like that, that technology is the base root of any country.
Guest speaker, Dr. Said Fakorede of the Department of Science and Technology, University of Lagos, emphasized the effects of the decline of technical teachers in Nigeria.
We find out that in so many schools, they have one or two trade subjects, which students are enforced to pick one. But we have over 40-something trade courses. If we have a lot of them, at least 10 in a school, the students have areas for them to pick from, and they will do very well.
A chief examiner, Mr. Eze Nkwano, highlighted problems encountered by students of basic technology and technical drawing subjects.
we found out that most candidates don't always remember to put conventions of that. So if the mark is 3 marks and the foundation footing is there, the foundation wall is there, the candidates will be scored half of the mark for not putting conventions. That is where we're saying that teachers should as try as much as possible to teach these students conventions.
The event also provided a platform for questions to be asked, and the appropriate answers were provided.
According to the syllabus, once they get to SS3, they base on past questions. All the subjects. So when they look at that past questions for 5 years back, you treated those past questions, there's no way one will not come out, even word for word, or the apply method. Even if they don't have money to buy some past question and answers, they can even download. It's free.
I've been able to take note of cogent areas where students fail to put what is expected of them down rightly. Like in the areas of building technology, some of them do not take note of some of the things they needed to take note on the section area.
This seminar has become a kind of grooming section to all teachers, especially for the basic technology teachers and technical teachers. We have been told on how to handle these students and how to annex their interest on this particular subject of their choice. Now, in this aspect, we were taught on how the students should be able to get a kind of intrinsic motivation. They must be motivated within themselves so that they will be able to learn within and outside the sector.
Hearing the chief examiner from WAEC speak was able to, has made me to know that it is just some little things that make students to fail. Little points that they do not care about, and that I, as a teacher, should lay emphasis on some of those points.
We have to create the interest. The interest of the students matter. Once the students have interest in the teacher teaching the subject, they will transfer the interest to the subject.
The COVID-19 pandemic is quickly demonstrating why technology should be a vital part of teaching and learning. By integrating technology into existing curriculum, these teachers can tap into the potentials of technology as a powerful educational tool.